So see here, now only we discuss the long non-polar hydrocarbon in of soap molecule that are hydrophilic, okay, and that gravitate towards and surround the dirt. It contain what? Fat, oil, dust, adsorb on it. Understood? Absorb in it. Okay, adsorb means what? It is a temporary चिकटून राहणे. Understood? Now see, we will discuss our next point here. That next point on agitation and on concentrate solution on the surface. Okay, so see here on agitation and on concentrate solution on the surface. Okay, on agitation and on concentrate solution on the surface, so it becomes what? It becomes a foaming type. Okay, it become what? Foaming. Understood? So see here, so what is another point here, important point, the short end. Okay, whatever that short end carboxylic part, okay, COO minus and Na plus carboxylate. So see here, the short end containing, as you know, the short end containing what? Yes, containing carboxylate ion, COO minus Na plus carboxylate ion, face the water away from the dirt. What they are doing? Face the water away from it. Face the water away from it, away from the dirt. Okay. Now next point here, what will happen? A number of soap molecule. A number of soap molecules surrounds. Okay, a number of soap molecules surrounds, or we can say encircles, or we can say encircles dirt and grease. Okay, in 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 a cluster type structure it will form, called as what, beta? Mycelium. It's called as what? Mycelium. Okay, like that, hundred of mycelium. Okay, it will prepared. Understood? It will form in whenever we done this cleansing action of soap. Okay, so these are overall process of cleansing action of soap. Understood? I hope you understood this all. Okay, now we will discuss diagrammatically. Okay, so see here how we will discuss diagrammatically. Now say, so suppose here, uh, see, one here our bucket. Understood? Okay, so it contains some water also there. Okay, so here water. Understood? Now we are trying to showing here whatever hydrocarbon part, what we can write hydrocarbon part, what we call hydrophobic, water hating. Okay, so as like this. Understood? And this what negative part, your carboxylate part, hydrophilic, water loving, that's why here in water. Understood? So like that I will show you here how it will looks like this. See, this is what hydrocarbon part, water heating. Okay, hydrophobic part, these are what? Water loving, hydrophilic. I hope you understood this. Okay, this figure. Okay, so these are, we call it as a what? Whole, as a stearate ion. C17H35 COO minus Na plus stearate ion. Okay, so see here we call it as a for this diagram. This what arrangement here, arrangement of stearate ion, arrangement of stearate ions on the what, on the surface of water at low concentration, at the low concentration of soap. Means when you are adding just soap into the water, means it is the primary stage or for cleansing action of soap or for washing a cloth, primary stage. Okay, this diagram. Now when we are discussing, okay, arrangement of stearate ion inside the bulk of water, okay, understood. So what it will form here, so see as like this it will form here. So concentrate on this diagram. Okay, like that 100 of globules like structure here. Okay, at the bulk beta what will happen, position as like this. Okay, means your hydrophilic part, hydrophilic part outward. Okay, and whatever hydrophobic part, so already we discussed it is soluble in oil and grease. Okay, so this what it is grease. Okay, so whatever we wrote you can see this, and at the arrangement of sheared ions inside the bulk what will happen, means first reverse of this. First what beta, whatever your this polar head water loving, so it will at the surface of water, but after that see here small b diagram what they are indicating. Yes, see here arrangement, arrangement of stearate ions inside the bulk. Okay, inside the bulk of water, inside the bulk of water, this grease part, okay, it is dissolved in what, soluble in whatever hydrocarbon part, it is soluble in this grease. So in bulk condition is reverse. Okay, it is a very much important difference between these two diagrams. Okay, that's why compulsory I shown this diagrams. Okay, so see here an arrangement of stearate ions inside the bulk of water, so what we call as a ionic ionic what, yes, ionic micelles, ionic micelles. Okay, now see when it will form, when it will form, say at critical micelles, at critical micelles concentration of soap. Okay, means what will happen here, it is present in bulk phenomenon. See in bulk whenever we are washing clothes, so whatever your hydrocarbon part it is okay, hydrocarbon part is soluble in oil and grease. Okay, so that's why this condition is reversed totally. This what whole your, yes, cleansing action of soap. Understood? I hope you understood all these things. Okay, and here our whatever carbon and its compound topic is completed completely. You can share your doubts. Okay, and you have to solve NCERT exercise with text question. Thank you very much.